You're going to love the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, and cruise control. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.